Number 1. Have a bad, good time. It means to experience an enjoyable or unenjoyable occasion.
They had a good time at the beach. They had a good time at the beach. He had a bad time at the party yesterday. He had a bad time at the party yesterday. I always have a good time with you. I always have a good time with you.
Number 2. Have fun. It means to enjoy oneself.
We always have fun at the amusement park. We always have fun at the amusement park. Have fun on your vacation to Hawaii. Have fun on your vacation to Hawaii. The kids had fun painting and drawing. The kids had fun painting and drawing.
Number 3. Have a blast. It means to have a very enjoyable and exciting time.
She had a blast at her birthday party. She had a blast at her birthday party. They're going to have a blast on the roller coaster. They're going to have a blast on the roller coaster. I had a blast on our road trip. I had a blast on our road trip.
Number 4. Have a barbecue. It means to cook food outside on a grill.
Let's have a barbecue this weekend. Let's have a barbecue this weekend. They had a barbecue for the 4th of July. They had a barbecue for the 4th of July. We had a barbecue and invited all our friends. We had a barbecue and invited all our friends.
Number 5. Have a bite. It means to eat something, usually a small amount.
Have a bite of the chocolate cake. Have a bite of the chocolate cake. They had a bite before going to the movies. They had a bite before going to the movies. I just had a bite of lunch earlier. I just had a bite of lunch earlier.